All right, now we are going to do an odd count peyote stitch. So we're going to go ahead, grab that stopper bead again. And this time we are starting with 7 beads. So 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then we are going to go ahead, take the white bead, and we're going to begin it the same way we have before. Okay, we're going to go through there, skip over 1, go through here, skip over 1. So now you're at the very end and you're like, well, what do I do at this point? Well, don't worry, because what you're going to do is you're going to take the white bead and you are going to go down here by 2. Okay, through the top and then the second one. All right, now you are going to go through this bead right here. And now you are going to go over here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. To get ready to lock into position right here. So now we're going to pull down and get ready to go with our next rows. So, okay, now we're going to get our purples. So we're going in this one, this one, this one. You see how it's going so far? Flip it again. So I'm going to go ahead and take that stopper off so that way we have room. So starting it seems okay, right? It's just when we get to that other side. So 1, 2, 3, and it's this one right here. So grab your bead and you go in. Okay, then this one to this one, you go down it. All right, now you're going to go back up 1, 2, and 3. Get it ready to lock in position. And now you're ready to go the opposite way. 1, 2, 3. And when are you going to need to really use an odd stitch peyote? Well, it kind of depends on the pattern. If you end up making the pattern and it's odd count, or if you buy a pattern it's odd count, now you know how to go about doing it. All right, so now go ahead and grab the white bead. Another one. Another one. Now here's where it gets tricky again. So you take your 1 bead, you go down by 2. You go through this one. Then you go back up again. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. All right, I'm going to even it off with 1 more row. So we get it ready, locked in position. Put on our next color. 1, 2, and 3. And this is what an odd stitch peyote looks like. So far we've learned odd stitch peyote, even stitch peyote, square stitch, and you can see the difference between the peyotes and the square. We've learned a single brick stitch and a double brick stitch. Learn techniques like this and more. Make sure you're registering for Beading University today.